Do you believe that meditation can help us lose weight? Meditation itself is not a direct method for weight loss, but it can improve our decision-making abilities. Meditation does not make you sit quietly and wait for your body to lose weight, but it helps us overcome bad habits. Therefore, meditation is highly effective for weight loss. Every person trying to lose weight will have some realizations during their dietary process. Often, the reason for obesity is the extra eating that happens after feeling full. Then, we tend to blame our lack of self-control. In reality, decision-making is controlled by the brain. So, fitness begins with the brain is very true. We need to enhance our brain's decision-making ability to make ourselves willingly put down the chopstick, the fork and spoons, and engage in exercise. Meditation can help us achieve that. In meditation, you get to the truth of why you consistently skip your morning workout and grab fast food each night on the way home. You can explore your motivations for weight loss and why you haven't accomplished your goals. You can confront childhood programming such as being told you have to eat all the food on your plate. Most importantly, you can understand why weight loss has been an issue in the past and get to a place where you are mentally prepared to stick to a weight loss program and get to your ideal weight. You will also see the subconscious block that keep you from healthy change, such as fears built up from your childhood that are manifesting in self-sabotage. Let me tell you the story of Sarah Ann Stewart, who is a very famous weight loss coach. She was a model since 15 years old, and her agent has been asking her to stay skinny. So for the next 10 years, she developed a fear and anxiety around weight that consumed her life. Then one day she woke up in NYU hospital bed, almost dying. And the ER staff told her she needed to make changes in her life to survive. She finally found her saving grace, meditation. Now, she is a holistic health practitioner, coach, and founder of Holistically Slim. She dedicated her career to teaching others that what to eat is only a small piece of having healthy relationship with food and your body. Stewart says, the inner journey is equally important, and that meditation is a secret key to long-term weight loss and healthy body. So, what is the connection between meditation and weight loss? Meditation is often thrown out of the door and disregarded because people question how sitting and not burning calories can help them lose weight. But our body is a mirror reflection of what is going in our mind, right? If our primary focus is on losing weight, we cut ourselves off from the emotional and mental being we are, and that prevents us from understanding why the weight is showing up in the first place. Sitting quietly allows us to sift through our thoughts, challenge our limiting belief, and raise our standard of what we want for our mind and body. For example, a relaxed and welcoming state allows us to ask ourselves questions about our health and the habits that hinder and promote it. You can practice meditation at any convenient time, whether it is in the morning, at noon, or during breaks. Meditation will become a powerful tool for your weight loss and maintaining your health goal. So, do watch the next video, and we are going to practice meditation together.